Hello everybody, this is GQ Auto Diagnostics. Right now we shooting a video for how to check an injector. One of the customers brought his 99 Tacoma and he was complaining that sometimes runs good, sometimes didn't run good, and it progressively was getting worse to when he brought it, we check it, and he was definitely running rough all the time. So anyhow, so we check compressor, we check the noise light, we checked the spark, everything was good, everything was there. So finally we got into the injector, okay? And I want to show you really quick. This is my multimeter. So right now the scale is in ohms. It's an auto adjustment, so it's gonna adjust by itself. So good injector should have a resistance of between 12 ohms to 15 ohms probably. Okay, this is the average. So this one has 198, okay, point fluctuating, 199, almost 200 ohms. So this is definitely no good. That is gone. So this is the new injector and has 14.3. So this is within range, okay? So this is a quick way to test your injector. Okay, this is again, it's one way to test an injector. So about reading the ohms inside the electrical winding inside. Okay, I hope this helped. Please subscribe. Leave your comments below, and we'll try to keep more videos coming. Okay, have a great day.